Life is not easy. Sometimes you feel tired. Sometimes you feel small. Sometimes it feels like the whole world is pushing you down step by step. But today, Easy English Official is here to give you something simple, something the world forgets to give you: hope, strength, and heart. There is a story about the devil and his favorite tool. Not anger, not hate, not fear. The tool he never sells is discouragement, the feeling that pulls you away from your heart. This video is for the people who feel discouraged, for the people who want to give up, for the people who believe they are standing alone in the dark. But hear this: you are not alone. And today, you return to your heart. You return to your strength. You return to the part of you that refuses to die, even on the hardest days. Chapter 1. You are stronger than your pain. You may not see your strength today, but it is inside you waiting to rise. Life pushes you, but you are still here, breathing and fighting. Many people would have given up by now, but you didn't. That alone shows a power you often forget you have. People will doubt you because they cannot see your future. They can only see your present, and your present looks small to them. But a small seed becomes a strong tree when it refuses to stop growing. You are that seed, and your time will come. People will judge you because they judge themselves every day. They project their fear onto you, hoping you will shrink with them. Do not shrink. Stand in your truth and let your heart be louder than their opinions. Sometimes the people who love you can still hurt you. They fear losing you, so they try to keep you safe. But safe does not help you fly. Your wings grow when you walk into the unknown with courage. Even the Wright brothers' own father told them, humans cannot fly. His words came from love, but also from fear. But the boys listened to their hearts, not his doubts. Because greatness listens to truth, not fear. Someone will always tell you that your dream is impossible. They will laugh, point, or walk away. Let them. Impossible things are always done by people who refuse to quit. You are one of those people, even if you don't feel like it yet. Every great story begins at the bottom. It begins with confusion, pain, and questions. It begins with darkness that makes the first light feel powerful. You are simply standing in your beginning, not your end. Michael Jordan was not the first pick. People did not see his fire, but that fire made him unstoppable. Sometimes you must be ignored to find your own strength. Rejection can be the beginning of your rise. Tom Brady wasn't even the 100th pick. 7 teams passed over him again and again. But he believed when no one else did. Your belief is more important than any ranking anyone gives you. Steph Curry was too small, too weak. They said his dream was unrealistic, but his heart was stronger than their words. Weakness is not what people see in you. Weakness is when you stop believing in yourself. Life will pull you back like an arrow. You will feel tension, pressure, and fear. But arrows are only pulled back to go farther. You are being prepared for distance, not failure. Pain is a teacher, not a punishment. It teaches you patience, strength, and clarity. It makes you grow where comfort cannot. One day you will thank your pain for shaping you. Your pain is not here to break you. It is here to wake you. It is here to sharpen your heart and widen your courage. Pain is your beginning, not your ending. You are stronger than the voices trying to stop you. You are stronger than the fear trying to slow you. You are stronger than the mistakes that live in your memory. You are stronger than you think. When you fall, you rise with new wisdom. When you fail, you learn new strength. When you are rejected, you build new courage. These things are gifts, not curses. 1,000,000 people may doubt you, but they do not control your heart. Only you can decide when your story ends. Let your heart speak louder than their doubts. Your yes is stronger than all their no. The world will not always understand you. That is normal. They did not understand the Wright brothers either. Dreamers walk a different path, and only dreamers can see the sky before they touch it. The pressure you feel today is shaping the person you will become tomorrow. Diamonds come from pressure, not comfort. Your heart is becoming brighter, stronger, and clearer. Courage comes slowly, one small step at a time. Even choosing to continue today is courage. Even choosing to breathe through your pain is courage. You are practicing greatness without even knowing. You have walked through things that could have destroyed you. But you are still standing, still hoping, still fighting. That alone is proof that you are stronger than your pain. Your heart is built for challenges. It beats even when you feel weak. It pushes you even when your mind gives up. Trust your heart when your head is full of fear. Everything you want is on the other side of staying strong. Every dream you carry needs your courage. Every future version of you is cheering for you. Do not walk away from yourself. One day, the pain you feel will become the strength someone else needs. You will inspire people without even trying. You will become living proof that struggle creates power. You are becoming that person now. Your story is not finished. Your pain is not the end. Your doubts are not the truth. Your heart is stronger than every challenge standing in front of you. As long as your heart says yes, no power on earth can stop you. 1,000,000 no's cannot break a single yes that comes from your soul. Keep your heart open. Keep your courage alive. You are stronger than your pain. You are stronger than your fear. And you are stronger than you were yesterday. This is your moment to rise. Chapter 2. Discouragement is the enemy. Discouragement is quiet, but it is powerful. It enters your mind when you feel weak and whispers lies. It tells you to stop before you even try. It pulls you away from the future waiting for you. The devil's favorite tool is not anger or hate. It is discouragement, because it works slowly and deeply. It takes your heart away piece by piece. It makes you forget who you truly are. Discouragement makes you stop walking when the finish line is near. It makes you believe your story is over when it is just beginning. It makes small problems feel like heavy mountains. That is why it is so dangerous. When you feel discouraged, your world becomes small. You forget your strengths, your dreams, and your victories. You only see your mistakes and your worries. But this is not the real you. Listen closely, because this truth can save your heart. You are not your past, no matter how heavy it feels. You are not your mistakes, no matter how often you remember them. You are not your fear, no matter how loud it becomes. Inside you is a gift the world has not fully seen. A seed of greatness placed deep in your heart. Your job is not to be perfect. Your job is to protect that gift and help it grow. When you don't trust your gift, a part of you falls asleep. Your joy becomes smaller and your hope becomes quiet. Your dream becomes something distant, but it is still there, waiting for you to return. Do not let discouragement control your destiny. It has no right to guide your future. It has no right to speak for your heart. Only you can decide who you become. People will throw rocks at you because they don't understand your path. They judge what they cannot see. They fear what they cannot do. But you are not here to live inside their limits. Turn the rocks into a home of strength. Every insult becomes a brick. Every doubt becomes a foundation. Every attack becomes a wall that protects your purpose. Build something powerful from what was meant to break you. People will shoot words at you like arrows. They will try to hit your confidence and damage your hope. But arrows cannot hurt a heart that knows its direction. Your purpose can stop what their words try to destroy. Your heart is your shield. It protects you when your mind is tired. It reminds you who you are when the world is loud. Trust your heart more than the noise around you. Every hero has a moment when they want to quit. A moment when the road feels too long and the pain feels too heavy. A moment when courage is small and fear is big. This moment is normal. But heroes continue even when they feel weak. They keep walking with small steps. They keep believing with small hope. They know that strength often grows in silence. You are the hero of your own story, even if you don't feel like one. Heroes are not perfect. They are persistent. Heroes fall, cry, doubt, and rise again. You are doing exactly that. Discouragement tries to hide your greatness behind your fear. But greatness does not disappear. It waits for you. It waits for your heart to choose courage again. It waits for your steps to move forward. You have survived many storms that others never saw. You have walked through nights that felt endless. You have carried pain that felt impossible. Yet here you are, still breathing, still fighting. Discouragement wants you to forget your strength. It wants you to forget your progress. It wants you to forget the battles you already won. But your history proves you are stronger than you think. When you feel discouraged, pause and breathe. Your breath is proof that you are still here. Your heartbeat is proof that your story continues. Your hope is proof that your future is waiting. Do not measure your strength by your doubts. Doubts are loud, but they are not true. Strength is quiet, but it guides you. Follow the quiet voice inside you. It knows the way. Discouragement is a visitor, not a home. It stays only if you welcome it. It grows only if you feed it. Let it pass through without letting it settle. Your heart knows your real direction. Even when your mind is confused. Even when your world feels dark. Your heart keeps calling you forward. Every dream you have is possible when your heart is awake. Every goal becomes reachable when you keep moving. Every struggle becomes a lesson when you refuse to stop. Just hold on a little longer. You are not finished. You are not broken. You are not lost. You are growing into someone stronger than discouragement. Let the world doubt you. Let fear whisper. Let discouragement try. Because as long as your heart chooses hope, nothing can defeat you. You are the hero of your own story. And this chapter, the one you're living right now, is where the hero becomes unshakable. Chapter 3. Get out of your head and into your greatness. You cannot walk slowly toward a dream that burns inside your heart. Dreams need fire, not fear. They need courage, not waiting. A dream grows only when you move. Casual effort creates a casual life. When you give little, you receive little. When you move without passion, your life stays quiet. But greatness requires more from you. Your heart wants more than survival. It wants meaning, depth, and growth. It wants to feel alive again. Listen to it. It has been calling you for years. Your future wants more than fear-based decisions. It wants bold steps and clear choices. It wants you to stop doubting yourself. Your future is waiting for you to arrive. Your purpose wants more than excuses. It wants action, even small action. It wants bravery even when you feel weak. It wants you to trust your own path. So today, you choose differently. You choose to rise instead of shrink. You choose to move instead of freeze. You choose the life you were meant to live. You do not choose fear, even if it still whispers. You do not choose doubt, even if it still follows. You do not choose discouragement, even if it knocks loudly. You choose heart, because heart brings power. Choosing heart does not mean you never feel afraid. It means you walk anyway. It means fear does not control the wheel. Heart takes the lead. Courage takes the step. You choose to take one more step today. Not a perfect step, not a huge step. Just one small step that says, I am still trying. A small step with heart is stronger than a big step with fear. Heart gives direction. Heart gives strength. Heart gives meaning. You are not meant to stay stuck inside your head. Overthinking keeps you trapped. Doubt keeps you frozen. But greatness begins the moment you move. You are here for a purpose bigger than your worries. You are not here to simply exist. You are here to grow through every challenge. You are here to rise stronger. You were not created just to work, pay bills, and disappear. Your life is not a routine. It is a mission. It is a journey of becoming, a journey of discovering your highest self. You are here to grow into someone you can be proud of, someone who stands tall even after falling, someone who shines even after darkness, someone who keeps going. You are here to rise above the limits you once believed. The old version of you was scared, but the new version of you is brave. You are changing in ways you cannot see yet. You are here to become the person your younger self needed. Someone strong, someone brave, someone kind, someone alive with purpose. Your greatness begins when you stop hiding your dreams, hiding your talent, hiding your heart. The world needs what you carry inside. When you step out of your head, your world becomes wider. You begin to see possibilities. You begin to feel hope again. You begin to recognize your strength. Thinking alone will not change your life. Action will. Small movement will. Courage will. One step at a time will. Your mind is loud, but your heart is wise. Your mind fears the unknown, but your heart grows in it. Follow your heart. It is your compass. It points toward your true life. Every dream is waiting for your decision. Not next month, not next year, today. Your destiny begins with the step you take right now. Your greatness is not far away. It lives inside you already. It grows every time you refuse to quit. It grows every time you listen to your heart. You can begin again at any moment. Strength returns when you move. Confidence returns when you try. Hope returns when you choose heart. Do not wait for the perfect moment. There is no such thing. The moment you move becomes perfect. The moment you act becomes powerful. The moment you choose becomes life-changing. Step out of your head. Step into your courage. Step into the life waiting for you. This is your chapter of greatness. Before you leave this video, make a quiet promise to yourself. I will not give up. I will not leave my heart. I will keep going. Your future self is watching you. Your heart is calling you. Your purpose is waiting for you. And Easy English Official is here to walk with you step by step, day by day. So remember this. When the world feels heavy, when you feel tired, when you feel lost, before you give up, come back to your heart.